To use Descript's built-in recording feature, you can start a recording right here from a blank project. But if you've already started your project and you're not seeing this particular screen, then the record button is always right here on the right side. So you can click on that. It's just a big circle. This might look a little different depending on if you are in the desktop app, the preview app, which I am in right now, or if you're in the web version, but it's going to be similar in that the record button will be right there. You'll choose your your camera. So right now I have my FaceTime camera, which is my built-in camera. You can choose third-party cameras or camera software if you have it. You can choose your microphone. So if you plug in a USB microphone, you're going to need to select that here. And then whether or not you want to share your screen, you can turn that on, and then you'll have to choose the portion of your screen that you want to record. From there, you'll either record into script, watch my video about script versus layer to understand what that means. But if you want to record into a layer, then you'll click on it here. And you can pop this window out if you want so that you can see a little bigger and it floats around. You can move it around like that. Redock it in the top right. You can change your settings. You can have a countdown. So it counts down from 3 to get you a little bit of breathing room to prep before you start recording. You can have it transcribe as you're talking so that as soon as you're done, everything will already be written out. You can set a default speaker. So if it's always you talking, then you can set that so you don't have to do it every single time. And that is for labeling who it is that's talking. Below that is studio sound. You can have it automatically apply studio sound as you're going, or by the time you finish, it'll automatically process studio sound. Automatically transcribe your computer audio. This next section is related to the computer audio. So if you're playing a YouTube video or even a Zoom call or something like that, you're recording your screen, then this would be whether it transcribes that audio or not. And then if there's always a certain default speaker coming through your computer, you can set that as well as studio sound. And then camera, you can choose the default resolution from 480p all the way up to the highest quality, which would be 4K. And then as soon as you got everything set, you just hit that record into script or record new layer, which you'll still have to hit this button again. And then you're off to the races. And at that point, you can just do your recording. And when you're done, I'm recording right now. And if at any point you need to pause it, you can click on this button, gather your thoughts, catch your breath, whatever you need to do. Hit start again to continue playing, continue recording. And when you're done, hit this big stop button and it'll say processing. And as soon as you're done, my recording is now in my project. And there it is. To go deeper on Descript, be sure to watch this video next.